Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olufemi and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make leather leaves. Yes, you can use leather in your millinery. Leather is a really versatile material. And if this is your first time of watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and also turn on the notification bell on that you see down there. Yes, so the first thing you need to do is get a leather pattern. I'm going to be drawing that pattern. This is the right side. I'm going to be drawing it on the back side, which is the white side of the leather. Yeah, so that's what I'll be doing. And for people who would like to take personal class, online classes with me, you can see my WhatsApp number on your screen, and I'm also on Instagram at Zofa Headwear. You can contact me for more classes on leather millinery and basic millinery too. From anywhere in the world, wherever you are, Nigeria, Ghana, Botswana, you can join me from anywhere in the world. We give video classes, personalized video classes. And they are going to be with you forever. Yes. Yeah, and also don't forget to watch my other videos. I have a turban DIY, I have a fascinator DIY, so don't forget to stop by and watch all those other videos. All right, now I'm done drawing my pattern. One thing you should know is for this pattern, because it has curves, it has two sides, the front and the back of the leaf. So I'm going to label the pattern so that I know which one I'm cutting. So I'm labeling this front and the other part back, and I'm also going to do that on the leather so that I know which pattern I'm cutting. Can you see? I labeled it F, meaning front. So I'm just going to go and draw my patterns and get ready to make my leather leaves. All right, I'm done drawing. So that's 1 2 3 4 5 front parts of the leather. So I'm going to draw the back of the pattern right now. All right, yes, almost done, and voila, we have 10 pieces of the leather pattern, 5 pieces of the back side and 5 pieces of the front side. All right, the next thing you want to do is cut out your pattern, and that's exactly what I'm doing now. So I'm going to cut out one piece of the front and one piece of the back so you can see what they look like when I put them together. There's so many things you can use leather to do in millinery. You can use it as embellishment, you can use it to make a full fascinator. So there you have it. I have cut the back pattern, so I'm going to put them together so you see what they look like together. So you see, there you have your leather leaves. Very simple, right? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell. Now see what I made with leather. Isn't this crown gorgeous? Yes it is. Okay, I'm on Instagram at Zofahead, we're on Facebook Olufemi Adu, and on WhatsApp. You can see my WhatsApp number on your screen. Contact me if you want more classes on leather millinery. Stay safe, stay good, have a blessed day. Bye.